My name is Rick Sanders. I'm the Business Development Manager for the Western region. I broke into the newspaper business nearly 28 years ago as a programmer. Spent the first part of my career in development as the head of development for system integrators in Sacramento. Also did some consulting for a number of years in both technical and marketing areas. What attracted me personally, and what I think is also the advantage that Brainworks brings to the marketplace, is the desire to understand the customer's needs and requirements. My background, as I said, is very technical. I like the fact that I'm able to go out and spend significant time with a customer and really understand their problems from both a business and technical perspective. My background having encompassed both of those, really understand, and then I can tell them much better how our software will help solve their problems, rather than just throwing software at them and hope it sticks somewhere. Primarily I ask them first what their business objectives are. Do they have operational issues? Revenue growth, obviously it's always revenue growth, but what in particular? Is it internet? They need internet stuff. And then kind of move into more of their operational or technical issues that they have. But I go wherever they lead me. Making money is important in newspapers today. Software and automation are tools that help them make money. If they didn't have to buy software, they probably wouldn't, but they know they need to, and they might as well buy the best software they can to help them make money. Some of the things that we can do to help them make money are give the end users, the sales reps, the information and the tools they need to focus on selling rather than remembering what the upsell of the day is. Make the computer give them the information, present it to them in an easy way, and allow them to spend 100% of their time talking with their customer, their advertiser, and sell to them rather than worrying about how to operate the stupid computer. Ease of use is huge, friendliness, short training time, all of those things take away from selling time. It takes not only for the end user, but also takes away from the sales manager's time. They have to spend coaching them or helping them through problems when they should be in there helping them sell better. Upsells provide a quick and easy way to tell an advertiser about the different kinds of products that are available, along with the pricing, of course, so they don't have to remember it. Puts it out there, and then the tool is, if they can't quite describe it right, they can instantly email it to that advertiser, and in 20 seconds it's in their inbox, and now they could be looking at it while the rep is talking to them. An internet order entry system, a self-service system, which in general has shown to result in a much higher revenue per ad ratio than when advertisers call the call center. And of course, there's no cost to someone calling up at 2 or getting on the internet at 2 in the morning and placing an ad. Now, retail display, commercial customers are a bit different. Oftentimes, they'll even submit advertising. We have other tools that help on the retail side. Oftentimes, it's more important to talk about frequencies and upsells in different pubs and cross-sells in different pubs than it is on the typography inherent in the ad. It used to be that newspapers kind of sat back and waited for the phone to ring, whether it be retail commercial customers or transit customers. It's no longer the case. They have to get on the phone and call outbound. Brainworks has a terrific campaign management package which will allow a sales manager to set up a complete campaign, which includes talking points, scripts, and other kinds of verbiage to handle all the different cases that an outbound caller may encounter, such as voicemail, what to say with a voicemail, complete with all the information about who you're calling, the name, position, company, and so forth. What to do if you reach a gatekeeper, how do you handle, what do you say to a gatekeeper to get through? And hopefully if you get through to the decision maker, what to say to the decision maker. And if you're good enough, the decision maker says yes, takes you right into the order entry system. So it makes the most efficient use of someone's time and on the outbound campaign. Most significantly, it then provides a record for management to see that those people are in fact doing the calling when they should be. It also includes features and functions to send out emails with any number of attachments of collateral material, send out faxes if that's still appropriate, as well as bulk mail, through the regular postal service. Many of our customers are starting to establish independent outbound calling teams, as opposed to people that just have a few extra minutes to call. What we learn in the sales cycle transfers into the installation phase. Everything we learn is transferred into the folks that actually go in and help set up the system and tweak the system. So they learn from up front what the business drivers are, and everything they do then is reflective of those business drivers, and at the end of the day, the success of the paper and the installation and our success is measured against how well we did against solving and addressing those business issues, not how well we installed a piece of software. At the beginning of the cycle, we have a success meeting, and we establish success criteria. And this is not it's not technical jargon of how many lines of code we've written or installed. It is, we expect after 12 months of operation to have raised revenues X%, or to have sold X% more ads, or talked to X% more customers, or whatever the various metrics are. And we measure that on a quarterly basis with all of the Brainworks reporting and data mining tools. And then we meet 12 months later and we measure the actual success, the actual returns on the system to that success criteria. And only then do we know if it's really been a success or not. What we're finding is that with the success criteria that we set up at the beginning of a project, when we go back and revisit the success criteria 12 months later, we're finding nearly 100% of those success criteria being met. Brainworks has a terrific support program for our customers. In addition to the sort of the traditional 24-hour, 7x365 support plans and phone support, weekends, holidays, we also supply sites with quarterly updates that not only include bug fixes, but all of our new enhancements that we may have done during the period. No extra charge for that. They're seeing improvements that we have talked to other customers about or other prospects about, so they're going to receive the benefit of every new piece of software, every new feature and function that we implement. Based on my many years of experience in this industry, both on a technical and now on a sales side, Brainworks brings new ideas to the industry, and those ideas are turning into revenue generating results. If I only had one thing to say to prospective customers, I'd say come to the booth or let us come to your site, give me 20 minutes to show you how and why Brainworks can make you more money. They would see software that is user-friendly and is geared toward helping the people that make money make more money.